Next is Sam, Advik and Trishu go for a morning walk. They step off together and their steps measure 35, 32 and 40 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? It means basically you have to find the LCM of 35, 32 and 40. So start 35, 32, 40. Start dividing 5, 7, 32, 8. Then 5 8s are. Then 7, 1, 32, 8. 8, 1, 4, 1. 4, 1, 1, 1. So multiply it 1, 1, 2, 0. So they should take minimum 1, 1, 2, 0 steps it should be. Centimeters. 1, 1, 2, 0 centimeters to cover the distance in complete steps. So 1120 centimeter means 11.2 meters. Check what is given in exam. If it is in centimeter, keep it centimeter. If it's in meter, keep it meter. Okay. In a seminar, the number of participants in mathematics, physics and biology are 192, 240 and 168 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms